So hey guys, what's up? This is me Pranay and you're watching Techno Master. So as OPPO has just launched its new smartphone in India called OPPO F27 Pro Plus 5G. So today we have this device with us. So as you can see the look, it is looking really good. It is a military grade device which comes with IP69, 68 and 66 ratings, and we have MIL and STD ratings as well. We have Corning Gorilla Glass Vectus 2 protection, and it comes with this curved 6.7 inches full HD plus AMOLED display, 120 Hz panel, and it comes with 950 nits peak brightness. So let me just go to the about device. As you can see, it is running on MediaTek Dimensity 7050 6 nanometer based one chipset, and it is looking really good. As you can see the back design, we have 64 plus 2 MP depth sensors at the back, and front is a single 8 MP shooter with aperture f2.2, and we have in-display fingerprint sensor. And so let me just drop this device into the tub, and we'll see it survives or not. So let me just take this out, and as you can see it is functioning really well. We don't face any issues on this device after dropping. Okay, so let me just open the camera. So as you can see, it is working decently. We don't see any issues. Once again, design is really awesome, guys. uh, Let me just switch on the flashlight also. It is working. So design is really good. I will soon make a review video of this device, full review actually of this device very soon. So till then, please subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future as well. So till then, thanks for watching.